Hi friends, this is Carrie with Greenhouse Yoga and Energy Arts, and I wanted to just show you one of the tools that we are going to be practicing in my energy medicine yoga workshop this Saturday, September 24th, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Mountain Time, and it's all on releasing anxiety. And how do we create our inner calm and joy? I really believe that it's our birthright to experience joy and a sense of peace, and that it's already exists within us. But things happen in life, maybe this life, maybe another life, maybe your family's life, where just the energy pattern of anxiety can kind of get stuck in our mental body and our physical and emotional body. So this workshop is going to lead us through some really just practical daily tools that you can put in like your tool kit of self-care practices. We're going to learn a morning practice, or whenever you can do it, but morning's awesome, to release anxiety and to shift the nervous system. So we're all about reprogramming our nervous systems to feel a sense of safety. And so the tool I'm going to show you right now is a tool that calms the triple warmer or triple burner meridian in Chinese medicine. And this governs the fight or flight response in the body. So you're going to place 1, 2, 3 fingers right into the notch of your throat under your Adam's apple, where there's a little hollow spot there. And you're going to close your eyes. If you can close your eyes, if you need to keep them open because you need to do this when you're driving, like I do a lot of the times, keep your eyes open then. And then just breathe into your belly, up through your lungs, through your nose, and then exhale out your mouth. Nice slow exhales out the mouth. Just continuing to hold here until you feel a sense of calm, peace, some kind of inner shift in any situation that you're feeling anxiety arise. So use this anytime, every time you can when you feel that, and that will help to start reprogramming your nervous system. If you'd like to still join my workshop, I do have 4 in-person spots left and space on Zoom. Go to our website, greenhouseyoga.info, to find registration information. And I hope that this is a helpful tool for you. I use it every day, a lot of times during the day, and it's really helping me a lot. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.